So the problem that we decided to tackle is student learning disability services at OSU provides accommodations for them, for students, but professors don't always know about those accommodations, and students usually have to reach out for themselves. So we wanted to create a tool for professors to see those accommodations in real time based on like an upcoming class, so that they can always see what they need to do for their students.
So alongside with what SLDS has to notify the professors, we thought one solution would be using Alexa. So using Alexa, Alexa would let professors know and notify them before the semester starts and before class what accommodations each student needs that has a disability in the class, where it's like, if someone's hard of hearing, Alexa would be like, don't forget you need to speak up during class, or before an exam, it will let them know, don't forget you need to give them extended time for this particular exam. And this just helps lessen the anxiety for students to go up and tell their professors and don't have to worry about professors not giving them the accommodations that they need.
Yeah, but we're going to demo our solution now.
Okay, so, oops, sorry. So we used Alexa skill, and so in order to wake up Alexa, we start with ask OSU, inclusivity, and then we have an intent that says, what are the accommodations for this section number, which we made up was 3565. And when you click enter.
One student in this class is hard of hearing, so they may or may not have an interpreter, so you need to speak up while talking in class.
So in our code, it would, when they see that phrase, what are the accommodations for a particular section, our code would have to query and find that section and let them know the first student or whatever accommodations that are needed for that class.
Cool. And then we have where that all that data comes from, the schema, which holds dummy data that we created in quite a few tables for classes, students, and then their disabilities. Those look like something like this. So we query that and find exactly what the disability may be, and then what the accommodation would look like.
Yes, and then we also made a front-end tool just so that professors could also check this to see exactly like what students had as well. And so what happens here in this dashboard is that they can see all of their upcoming classes and all of the accommodation students might need. And our idea for this front end is just that it could be added to HackOHI link as a widget. So that way professors can always check this tool as well if they need to just like check it for like different exams and things on top of having Alexa. But yeah, that's OSU Accommodations.